Hi there, this is Mahar Haddad and I'm going to be the trainer of this course. This is my first course speaking about the Fortigate, which is a hardware appliance device by Fortinet. A brief idea about myself: I work as a trainer. I have my own training center in the Netherlands. I also hold a lot of certificates from different vendors, and I do a lot of online video courses as well as I write books on Amazon. So what are we going to do in this course? This course is going to be like an entry level for anyone who wishes to start learning and working on Fortigate appliances. Now, we can see that Fortigate is dominating the market since a couple of years, and we can see that a lot of network engineers are using Fortigate because it has a very nice features that it can be used on Fortigate. The reason why I have decided to do a course to make it like an entry level for people who don't have any information about Fortigate, then they have at least the basic information, and also this will help them to be able to be ready to the Fortigate Certified Administrator in Security certification. So in this course, I'm going to give a brief idea about Fortigate and Fortinet as a company, what they do, and then after that, I'm going to start building labs. So I'm going to take every portion of the things that we can do on the Fortigate appliance, and I'm going to apply a lab to show you step by step how you can configure Fortigate devices. This course is ideal for anyone who don't have any information about Fortigate appliances and they want to know how to configure it, but also it's good for people who have experience in configuring Fortigate because you may be missing some information that you can find in this course. So if you want to learn how to configure Fortigate devices, all you need to do is to enroll in this course and let me help you to reach to your goal.